Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we have another unboxing and first impressions video, and this is of the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros. Now, these were some pretty surprising headphones to me. For one, I have not seen active noise cancellation in headphones under 150 bucks, at least especially good noise cancellation. So for this one, I was really loving the design. I did check out the Soundcores earlier last year with the Liberty 2 Pros, but these are the Air design, so they should have better microphones overall. And again, the design is very AirPod-esque, so let's see what these can do for the price. Now, I will say too, that I do like that they actually target their noise cancellation style, from transportation to indoor to outdoor. I spend a lot of time indoor specifically, so I want good noise canceling for that. But then also outdoor is gonna be pretty good as well. So let's go ahead and unbox these. And here we are. So I just love their slide out, if this is like the last one. Just so sleek in terms of that, so just love that style. And in terms of the earbuds themselves, them all around, I think they look really nice and sleek. Really interesting style, and the thing I love about these is the tips. Because if I know Soundcore like I think I know Soundcore, bam! That is such a great experience to just find the exact tip you are looking for. It's just so great, and it's such great attention that they pay towards it, that I really just love the idea of, okay, which one am I gonna go with and which one will fit best. Those are super small. Very curious if the regular ones will fit. Typically I go a little bit smaller than the natural one, so we'll have to wait and see which one fits me the best. But I do like the idea of these in terms of, for the price of $130, are these going to be really that good? So I'm going to set it up, try it out, and then let you know my thoughts. All right, so I've had some time with these now, and some very interesting things actually happened. First of all, they're going to be taken from me. I'll explain that later. So now the app itself is pretty good. So it's a Soundcore app you can find on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And really with this, you have some things I want to point out right away. So you have the ambient sound, which you can actually test out to see if you want noise canceling, transparency, and normal. I like to switch between these two personally. I don't like normal as much. I just don't really see myself using it. I either want to have my headphones in and listen transparency, so if someone talks to me, I can answer back, or I want to block out everything and either focus on what I'm doing. So I do like that about this app. The other thing is they have the tip fit testing. It's kind of had some issues on my device. I'm not sure if it's mine. I'm gonna have to test it out with another phone and see what it is, but it's a kind of good way to make sure you have the right tips in place. And this is something that's really important. So this is something that I think all headphones should have, and that is a personalized sound profile. So it basically caters to your ears so you hear the best way possible. And mine is always a lot different from whatever the norm is. So I really do appreciate this. And it's just really good. Now you have the default and you have all these custom signatures that you can get and fiddle with and everything like that. And Soundcore does have a lot of different ones that they have personalized themselves, which is pretty cool, but there's just nothing like personalized to my ears. It just always sounds so much better, so I really do appreciate that. Now, overall, I will say the sound quality is pretty good. The bass is definitely there, so if you like bass in your headphones, these really stand out for that purpose. The other thing that I have to say is that I do like the controls. So the controls are pretty simple and just really good because they allow you to do a lot of things. First of all, I need to be able to pause and play. I need to be able to switch between noise canceling and not noise canceling. And I also want to do a little bit more. So what I do for here is the next song, so I can just skip to the next part if I want to, and also voice control. because I couldn't decide between volume up and volume down, but my voice control will allow me to do both. So pretty simple and easy there. And overall, these have been really decent in terms of the microphone quality. So I think you're going to be able to have a call here, no problem. I think if it's a very noisy environment, then you will have some trouble with a lot of true wireless headphones. That seems to be the norm, but the sound quality is really good. The wireless charging is awesome, and the battery life is honestly better than most. 7 hours is, I would say, pretty accurate. I'd take them for a while before I have to put them back in. Basically, I can take them for the day and not usually have to worry about putting them in the charger if I want. So that is very unique to itself. But the biggest compliment I can possibly give it is that my wife was done with the Galaxy Buds Live because they weren't fitting in her ear. So I said, okay, what about these or the Pixel Buds? Pixel Buds and the Galaxy Buds Live are both more expensive than these. She liked these better for the sound. She thought the sound was so much better than both, and they fit to her ears better than the others. And that, I think, just has to go to what I showed you earlier, which is the many ear tips that can work. So I like these a lot. I am losing them to my wife because she liked them more than I did even. So even though neither one of us are audiophiles, we can tell you that the audio sounds really good, and that overall, I think you'd be really, really happy with these. I don't know if I would have chosen them over two of the highest headphones that most people get right now, but I will say they are that good to definitely consider it at a lower price point. They just excel in so many areas. Let me know what you guys think. These are my first impressions of these, and they were really good. And again, they're so good that I'm losing them. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.